Have you ever pondered about places on Earth that challenge our understanding of science? Welcome to our exploration of 10 scientifically impossible places that truly exist. By scientifically impossible, we mean locations that defy our established scientific principles. These are places where the unpredictable happens, where the inexplicable becomes the norm. They push the boundaries of what we know and understand about our world. Are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery with me? Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the boiling river in Peru. Nestled deep within the Amazon rainforest, this river holds a mystery that leaves scientists scratching their heads. It's not heated by a volcano, yet it reaches temperatures so high they can boil an entire kettle of tea. The river spans nearly 4 miles and is up to 16 feet deep. What makes it even more intriguing is the local lore tied to it. The indigenous people call it Shane Timpishka, which means boiled with the heat of the sun. They believe it's a sacred site blessed by the gods. Geologists and scientists are still trying to unravel the truth behind this natural phenomenon. Some theories suggest that it's a result of fault-fed hot springs, but the exact reason remains elusive. It's a testament to the fact that our world is filled with wonders that go beyond our understanding. A river that boils on its own, certainly a perplexity to science. Moving on to number 9, we find ourselves at the Devil's Kettle in the USA. Hidden away in Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, this geological enigma has baffled scientists and visitors alike for decades. Here's the mystery. Half of the Brule River flows into a typical waterfall, but the other half disappears into a massive pothole known as the Devil's Kettle, and no one knows where it goes. Many theories have been proposed. Some suggest an underground river that empties into the nearby Lake Superior, while others postulate a hidden network of caves or fissures. To solve this puzzle, researchers have tossed in dye, ping-pong balls, even logs, all to no avail. They vanish without a trace. But despite the unanswered questions, one thing is certain. The Devil's Kettle is a testament to the enduring mysteries of nature that continue to captivate us. A waterfall that vanishes into thin air, what could be more baffling? At number 8, we travel to the Magnetic Hill in India. Nestled in the heart of Ladakh, this hill has had scientists and tourists scratching their heads for years. Why, you ask? Well, it seems to have an uncanny knack for pulling cars uphill, defying the very laws of gravity. Scientific theories range from optical illusions to the magnetic properties of the hill. Some suggest that the layout of the surrounding land creates an illusion, making a slight downhill slope appear to be uphill. Others propose that there must be a large magnetic force within the hill itself, pulling metallic objects towards it. Local lore, however, offers a more spiritual explanation. The hill is believed to be a pathway to heaven, and only those deserving can make the uphill journey. Whatever the truth may be, the magnetic hill continues to baffle and amaze us. A hill that pulls things uphill, defying gravity and our understanding of physics. Coming in at number 7, we have the Pink Lake Hiler in Australia. This bubblegum-colored body of water has been turning heads and raising eyebrows for centuries. Unlike your average lake, Lake Hiler is not blue or clear. Instead, it sports a vibrant, unmissable pink. This unusual hue, visible even from above, is not a trick of the light or some form of optical illusion. It's genuinely pink. Scientists have proposed several theories to explain this pink puzzle. One popular hypothesis suggests the color comes from a dye created by bacteria that inhabit the lake's salt crusts. Another points to the interaction of sea salt, sodium bicarbonate, and sunlight. As for local lore, stories abound of ancient mystical powers and secret potions. But of course, the true cause remains a mystery. Lake Hiler, a natural wonder that looks like it's been lifted straight from a fairy tale, a pink lake that baffles scientists to this day. Number 6 on our list is the Eternal Flame Falls in the USA. Nestled within the heart of Chestnut Ridge Park, New York, this seemingly impossible phenomenon captivates visitors from around the globe. A flame burns brightly beneath a cascading waterfall, a mind-boggling sight that begs the question, how can fire exist underwater? The scientific community has been intrigued by this paradox for years. Some propose that the flame is fed by natural gas seeping through cracks in the Earth's crust. This natural gas, primarily methane, fuels the fire, allowing it to burn continuously, even under the waterfall's flow. Yet, the flame does occasionally go out, typically due to varying water levels or wind gusts. When this happens, visitors or park rangers often reignite it. keeping the eternal part of its name alive. Local lore adds a layer of intrigue, with tales of Native American spirits and ancient rituals. But the truth remains elusive, making the eternal flame falls a fascinating enigma. A flame that burns eternally underwater, certainly a paradox to science. Next up at number 5, we have the Doubletree of Cassoro in Italy. Now this is a sight that truly defies logic. Here we have a cherry tree that has made a home for itself atop a mulberry tree. Yes, you heard right, one tree growing atop another. This botanical wonder has baffled scientists, sparking numerous theories. Some propose a bird may have dropped a cherry seed high in the mulberry's branches. Others suggest that the resilient cherry tree could have sprouted from a seed lodged in the mulberry's trunk. Regardless of the how, it's the survival of the cherry tree that astounds, thriving despite limited soil and nutrients. This arboreal spectacle has also weaved itself into the fabric of local folklore. It's been dubbed Albero di Cassoro, or the Double Tree of Cassoro, and has become a symbol of resilience and unity for many. A tree growing on another, a botanical mystery indeed. At number 4, we find ourselves in the cold desert of Antarctica at the Bloodfalls. This is not your typical waterfall. Instead of cascading clear or blue water, the Bloodfalls spill out a deep red liquid, akin to a gruesome scene from a horror movie. But don't worry, it's not actual blood. The red hue is due to iron-rich brine that oxidizes upon contact with air, similar to how rust forms. Scientists have proposed various explanations for this phenomenon. Some believe it's due to a subglacial ecosystem, where microbes live off the iron and sulfur in the water. Others suggest it's the result of ancient seawater trapped under the ice for millions of years, slowly releasing its iron content. As for theories, they range from the plausible to the downright fantastic. From secret underground rivers to alien life forms, the Bloodfalls continue to intrigue and baffle us. A waterfall that bleeds, a chilling enigma. Coming in at number 3, we have the infamous Bermuda Triangle in the Atlantic Ocean. This enigmatic expanse of sea has long been the subject of fascination and fear due to the numerous unexplained disappearances of ships and aircrafts. Some attribute these vanishing acts to magnetic anomalies, others to violent underwater currents, but no definitive scientific explanation has been universally accepted. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation has led to an abundance of myths. Tales of extraterrestrial activity, time warps, and even the lost city of Atlantis have been woven into its narrative. However, it's important to remember that these are, at their core, just stories. They're the product of human fascination with the unknown and the unexplained. Despite the theories and the legends, the Bermuda Triangle remains a mystery. It's a reminder of the vastness of our planet and the secrets it still holds. A place where things disappear without a trace, a mystery shrouded in lore. And at number 2, we have the Dancing Forest in Russia. Nestled in the heart of the Kaliningrad region, this unusual forest is a spectacle of nature's whimsy. Its trees twist and bend in peculiar contortions, as if caught mid-dance, giving the forest its distinctive name. Scientists have proposed several theories to explain this phenomenon. Some attribute it to the unstable sandy soil that underlies the forest, while others suggest that the tree's growth is influenced by strong winds. However, none of these theories have been definitively proven, leaving the dancing forest's true origins shrouded in mystery. The local community, too, has its own beliefs. Many locals claim that the forest's twisted trees are imbued with mystical energy and can grant wishes to those who navigate its winding paths correctly. So, while we may not have the exact scientific explanation for this enigmatic woodland, it remains a captivating testament to the myriad mysteries nature holds. A forest that dances to its own tune, indeed a perplexity. And finally, at number 1, we have the stone forest in China. This is no ordinary forest, but an imposing labyrinth of towering limestone pillars jutting out of the earth like giant petrified trees. These formations, known as karsts, are a result of millions of years of erosion and weathering, a testament to the relentless march of time. The science behind this phenomenon is just as fascinating. Limestone, a soft and soluble rock over time, is sculpted by the forces of wind and water into these intricate pillars. Each one is a unique testament to the power of natural forces. Yet the stone forest isn't just a geological marvel, it's steeped in local lore and mythology. The locals believe these stones are the petrified remains of a young maiden who was turned to stone by a deity, a place of myth, mystery, and science intertwined, a forest made of stone, the ultimate defiance of science. And there you have it, 10 scientifically impossible places that actually exist. From the enigmatic boiling river in Peru to the perplexing dancing forest in Russia, these wonders truly challenge our understanding of the natural world. They're a testament to the fact that science is a never-ending journey of exploration and discovery. So, let's keep our curiosity alive and continue to question the world around us. Remember, just because something defies current scientific understanding doesn't mean it's impossible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing videos.